Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on your iPad mini. It's not turning at all once I plug in the lightning cable into the USB socket. So the first thing to do is to have a look inside the USB socket of the iPad, because I guaranteed 80% of the time it's actually dirt lodged inside here. So what you want to do is get yourself a small object, something that you can poke into the USB port. But I'm using these metal tweezers. So what I want to do is try to get some stuff out of here. Make sure there's no dirt. Well, I've got a bit of dirt out of there. Don't know if you can see it. But anyway, yeah, make sure it's nice and clean in the USB port. This one's pretty clean now. And then plug in your USB cable. And there you go. It comes on.